Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but yeah, just had stuff to do. This is my new dirt bike. It's a 250 4-stroke. .250 quad. Sold my 80. That one's hard to start in the cold, so I won't be able to start it today, but Punk doesn't like to keep running. So yeah, runs pretty good. Need new tires, but this one has pretty much brand new tires. No batteries, so can't show the headlight or anything. This one has a battery. My mag light's still brighter. There's the quad's beam, there's my mag light. Well, that's about it. I'll probably do something tomorrow for my channel, but not sure. I wrecked yesterday on my dirt bike, and yeah, my wrist is pretty jacked up. Alright, well, see ya.